got sick, who knows, but when it's big money, you know your boy's gonna show up. Let's wait a few more minutes, then we'll check in, fam. Pulling up to the Amazon warehouse, fam.
Then in 100 feet, turn right.
DCM2 in Kettering, Ohio. DCM2. See all the blue Amazon vans, right? I'm a little bit early. This is big money. I gotta show up early, you know.
Turn right.
Let's see if it's busy or not today. This is Saturday, 2 days after Thanksgiving, fam.
Arrive at the destination.
Alright, looks like we got a lot of packages, fam. Alright, peak season is here. Peak season is here, fam. Peak season is here. You know how it goes. Peak season is here, fam. Yeah, everybody's loading. Alright, fam, it's 4:04 p.m. I can't check in until 4:15. It's a good block. I gotta show up early, and yeah, it's peak season is here, fam. Peak season is here, and there's a new, you know, whatever variant of the COVID virus. So maybe some people got sick. Who knows? But when it's big money, you know your boy's gonna show up. Let's wait a few more minutes, then we'll check in. Oh yeah, we got work today, fam. It's peak season. Peak season is here. Looks like I got work behind me. Let's get it, fam. All right, fam. It's like 45 stops. I think I can get it done in 3 hours. I used to drive for DSP, so yeah, man. Let's see how it goes. Keep you guys posted in a few more minutes, huh? See you guys back on since we're at the red light, I want to show you something. You see the number 4 parentheses 4. You want the smallest numbers go out first. So 1 parenthesis 1 is first one out, and then 37 parenthesis 37 is the last one out. So the smaller the number, those ones are delivered first, and the bigger the numbers, those are the last, by the yellow stickers. I've done a lot of flex videos, but I never show you guys how to organize them, you know. But basically you go by that number. So this one is the 4th one out. All right, see you guys in a little bit. All right, fam, first delivery. Took me 15 minutes to get here. Use photo, swipe to finish. All right, let's get to the second one. All right, second delivery. It's been smooth sailing so far. We're in the west side of Dayton. Snap a photo, use photo, swipe to finish. On to the next one. All right, we're at the third one. Put at the front door, snap a photo, on to the next one. Let's go. Let's get this search money, fam. All right, fam, at the 4th one. It's been smooth sailing today because I actually organized my route today. Today I got 45 packages. Usually I don't organize them, but today I did, so it's been smooth sailing for me so far. Just like that, at the front door, on to the next one. It's not rocket science, fam. It's just a lot of walking, that's all, you know. Just doing the same thing over and over. 45 stops, that's all there is to it for Amazon Flex package. Let's get it, fam. All right, fam, we're like what, 9 stops in. I picked this thing up at 3:30, finished loading at like 3:50, something like that, and it's 5:04. So today it's been really smooth. That's because I organized this route, and I got this down to a science, you know. All right, fam, let's hope we can get this done in 3 hours. Let's get it. We're in the west side of Dayton.
Turn left onto Wales Drive.
West side Dayton. West side is not the best side when you're in Dayton, though. But this is not the west side. It's like near Clayton and Inglewood, I think. Let's get it, fam. 1 block away. Like 95% of these deliveries out to the front door and snap a photo. Pretty easy. Let's get it. It's getting cold and windy,
Turn right onto West.
but I don't mind it, you know. It's good money today. Let's get it, fam. All right, fam. We're 15 miles in and
Right onto Turner Road.
1 hour in, and we still got like 30 stops left. All right, let's get it, fam. We're at the 11th stop now. All right, leave at the front door, snap a photo, on to the next one, fam. Use photo, swipe to finish. Alrighty, we just drop it off. Now on to the next one. We're in the city of Trotwood. Trotwood is northwest of Dayton, fam. And the sun set around 5 p.m. In December, so you're gonna bring a head flashlight, you know, for to deliver after dark for sure. Uh-oh, got a situation, fam. Alright, fam, look at these really long country driveways, you know. These are very tricky for the Amazon DSP vans, the big blue vans, so I'm guessing that's why they give it to the flex drivers. Pretty tricky. Yeah, look how dark these driveways are, you know. It's like driving through the woods, literally. But it helps if you have good headlights, you know. Driving through the woods, fam. Alright, fam. Halfway in. About 45 more minutes to go. Thank you. Have a nice day. Halfway in, fam. Show up at the same time with the DSP driver. Alright, fam. It's 6:32 p.m. I still got like 10 more stops. But I ran out of cigarettes. I don't need gas, but I'm gonna pump it anyway because in the winter I get lazy at night, you know. But my tank is still good for another 80 miles, so I'm gonna run inside, buy some Red Bulls, buy some cigarettes. I still got like 10 stops left, so I think by the time I finish it'll be like right around 7 o'clock. So it's exactly 3.5 hour block, but the pay is monster for this one, man. I'm not talking about the energy drink, man. All right, fam, it is 7:45 p.m. so this thing actually took me 4 hours and 15 minutes instead of 3.5 hours, but it's still a good 3.5 hour block, you know. Well, I took 15 minutes to go pump gas and another 10 minutes to go pump gas and another 5 minutes to send some texts and stuff. Shout out to Your Decal guy on Instagram for giving me the great decal. So this block was 3.5 hours for $157.50, fam. That's the biggest 3.5 hour block pay I ever seen, you know. That's like 45 an hour or something like that. Yeah, that's the record high for me for Amazon Flex package. Anyway, it's peak season is here, and today I ran into like Amazon DSP guys like at least 3 times, you know. But with Amazon Flex, so peak season for delivery is like after Thanksgiving until like around December 31st. That's peak season for you guys. And I'm getting ready for a shoot with the Wall Street Journal. Hopefully that's gonna turn out good. Anyway, thanks everybody for watching this episode of best Amazon Flex route ever. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe for more gig economy videos. Please ring the notification bell. Please smash the like button. All right, fam, have a good night out there. Stay safe, drive safe, fam. Peace.